A new tool is unveiled at Intermountain Medical Center in Murray to help Utahns suffering from long COVID.
Scott McCain joins us live to talk about that program. Scott, let's hear about it. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, guys. It's called the Long Hauler Navigator Program. We started talking about it this morning, and today they're releasing a few more details. And what it is the result of, the state's largest medical network closely studying increasing numbers of patients who are having these lingering effects after initially recovering from being infected with COVID-19. Now, some of the most common long hauler symptoms include brain fog, fatigue, and chest pain. But there are hundreds of others, including what some patients are calling neurological brain zingers. Now, this also tends to affect younger people, more women than men. Typically, they are in good shape physically and have no comorbidity factors. This is a challenge doctors have been dealing with essentially ever since the beginning of the pandemic.
I think the good news is that with a sort of carefully planned out, joint decided plan, we've actually been able to see people improve over time. So my message to the community is it will get better. It just takes a long time.
Yeah, Dr. Hirschberg says patience is critical here, especially for some of these younger athletic, active folks who are trying to get back into their routine. Now, the Long Hauler Navigator program started to try and bring in all of these multi-specialties and then get the patient to the right place, the right specialist as quickly as possible. And a lot of the subspecialty clinics, as folks likely have learned over the years, if they try to get in to see a specialist, they're booked out for quite a long time. But now this Navigator program, if they can identify someone as being a long hauler and figure out what it is that is ailing them, they can get them to that specialist, Dr. Hirschberg in particular, among others, as quickly as possible. So hopefully some good news for folks out there who are suffering the lingering long-term effects of being infected with COVID-19. For now, we're live in Murray. Scott McCain, Fox 13 News, Utah.